Okay, boys, welcome to your science class. Today in science, we are going to learn a new lesson from Unit 6. The name of the lesson is Changing Shadows. First of all, we are going to write the date with the topic. Today, the date is 29 May 2022. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about shadows. What are shadows and how they are made? So when there is a little light and you block the light with something, then you make a shadow like this. Look, you can see my hand. I am blocking the light, and here on the back of my hand, there is the shadow. This is called shadow. Shadow of my hand. So all the objects from which light cannot pass can make a shadow. As you can see a picture in your book here, there are two boys. One boy is standing in front of the sunlight and other boy is drawing his shadow. So we have a question. Do shadows move? Yes, shadows move. So answer of this question is yes, shadows move. It moves with the light. So for this task, we need chalk and a sunny day. Go outside at different times. Ask a friend to draw around your shadow like this. You can go outside and with the So go outside at different times, ask a friend to draw around your shadow. Stand in the same place each time or your test will be unfair. So we have to stand on the same place, but at different times. Like first we should stand in the morning. In the morning, our shadow will be long. At the midday, our shadow will be short. Again, when we are going out in the evening, when the sun is about to set, sunset is going to happen, what we are going to do, our shadow will be longer again. Do you think will happen? Will your shadow be in the same place each time? No, our shadow will not be same in the each time. So we will write no. It will not be same. No, it will not be same each time. So this is a sundial. Can you see the shadow? Yes, we can see the shadow. As the earth turns past the sun, shadow moves too. In the previous lesson, we have learned that sun does not move, but earth rotates around the sun. In 24 hours, it completes its circle. It completes its circle in 24 hours. So as the earth turns past the sun, what happens? It complete the shadow of a person is also moving. On a sundial, shadow tells the time. Look at the picture. Can you tell what time it is? So here on the sundial, you can see the shadow from 10 to now. The needle is on 12. So now what is the time? It is 12. First, it was on 10 when the needle is moving, and now it is on 12, but it is going on 1. So we can say, okay, what is the time? According to sundial, 12. What is the time? 12. So here we have activity 6.3b. Shadow length. Rita is measuring the length of shadow. Does the length of a shadow change? Yes. As we have studied that length of the shadow is changing with the time. She wants to answer a question, measure the length of a shadow at different times. What do you think will happen? What will happen? The length of the shadow will change. Sometimes the length of the shadow will be longer, and at midday, the length of the shadow will be shorter. In the morning and the evening, the sun is low and shadows are long. At midday, the sun is higher in the sky and the shadows are shorter. Again, I'm reading, listen carefully and try to understand. In the morning and evening, the sun is low and shadows are long. At midday, the sun is higher in the sky and the shadows are shorter. So what we have learned in this lesson, we have learned that shadows move slowly as the earth spins. Shadows are shorter when the sun is high. Shadows are long when the sun is low.